Expectations, not reality. Let it go. Asking them what they want out of me. I feel like I am a prodigy. Let it go. I've been on some shit since a kid, honestly. Expectations.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Diana. If you are returning from watching the previous video, thank you so much for coming back and checking me out. Here on my channel, I share my love for luxury shopping and fashion in general. You'll mostly see reviews and unboxings and comparison. I do have some new content coming, so please stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, the bell if you want a notification. Also, if you're interested in following me on Instagram, my name is going to be @DiannaChisholm, which I'll link that in the description below. I took a little break to spend some time with my family back home in Virginia. It's been such an awesome vacation. I missed them so much. So it was nice to just take a break and go back home and really spend time with them. I'm actually shooting from my sister's guest bedroom. I just wanted to make sure I kind of like gave y'all some new content because I've been slack a little bit, but my subscribers know, if you guys been following me on Instagram, y'all know I love this bag. I'm obsessed with it. It is the Prada re-edition 2005, the nylon bag. I have the one with the Saffiano strap. I'm going to do a review of this bag with you guys, give y'all all the details, the pros and cons, why I'm obsessed with this bag. And I also, what I did, guys, I put it back together so you can see how it looks when you do purchase it from the store, just to give y'all the experience as well. If you guys watched my very first YouTube video, the luxury unboxing I did for my birthday last year, you noticed that I did get this Prada bag then. So you guys got to see when I actually did the first unboxing for it. If you're interested in that video, you can go back and watch it. I'll link the first video in the description below. So I purchased the bag for myself for my birthday, and it was something I had been like really wanting for a long time. Okay, this bag's been out for a little bit now. I think it was a remake of their most iconic shoulder bag. Prada is really known for that mini cute little shoulder bag they were doing like in the 90s. Okay, so this is this is why they call it the re-edition. It's a remake of that. So yeah, so I was seeing a lot of bloggers with it and following a few Instagram accounts with the girls rocking it. So I was like, I need this bag. Okay, I need it, and I was having a hard time picking the colors because there were so many beautiful colors to choose from. They had my favorite was cameo beige, which is this pretty deep tan. They had a beautiful bubblegum pink, and I'm still thinking about that one. But I did play it safe and I got the black one. So while I'm hooking up with a sales associate from the Prada store at Mall of Millennia, and he was very helpful. I had an awesome experience. He was able to put that on hold for me, and I was able to go to the store and pick it up. I went ahead and I put everything back together. So this, get that to focus, and super cute. The girls did an awesome job making sure everything was wrapped pretty and all that. It comes with a beautiful Prada ribbon. So that is what the box will look like. Well, it did look like. I'm not sure if they're switching up the packaging, but it's this pretty dark navy blue. Love that. It's so cute. And it has a sky blue it's like a satin tab. It's so pretty. How detailed and pretty is that? Take the ribbon on, and then the box even has the Prada logo right in the inside. This is what the packaging look like. The cute little dust bag. Y'all know how I feel about this stuff, okay? All right, and then that's gonna be the inside. So that's pretty much it, and then you have the box. Okay, I do have my receipt. Now when I purchased this particular bag, I purchased it in store, like I said, and I paid, it was $9.25 before tax. With tax is $9.85. So yeah, it's a $70 increase since I purchased the bag. So now it went from $9.25 to $9.95. So this is what the dust bag looks like. The Prada logo and all that. And it's like it's really soft cotton dust bag. The only thing, I wish it was I wish the texture was different, because I can tell that this bag can probably get really dirty if, you know, if I didn't like store it in a certain place. So I'll take this out. Okay, and this is what the bag looks like. So there's two different options that you can purchase with this bag. You can get an all nylon bag where the strap is going to be like nylon as well. I chose the Saffiano leather, which hopefully you can see the difference. I just felt like for me it would be more durable to have the Saffiano leather. I also thought that it would be nice when I dress the bag up too. And it does cost a little bit more for the leather strap versus the nylon strap. Just something to consider. It comes with this cute little tab, which I'll show you. And it has the Prada enamel in the middle, which says the Prada Milano in the another section on the tab. And I like that the base is like a nice flat, like rectangular, so when you go to sit the bag down, it doesn't topple over. You know, it actually has enough structure just to kind of like stay put. Y'all, love this bag. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna take the stuffing out of it. And it does come with like product info. So it has the information about the Prada nylon, which I thought was really cool, because I didn't know. So this product, the nylon material is made from like ocean like waste from like fishing nets and things like that. So they took that and they like recycled it, and they made this really great material, the nylon material. So the little packet that they put in here tells you all about that. So I thought that was really cool, because y'all know, you know, we need to be working on ways to save this planet, okay? All right, it kind of makes me feel better about making my purchase. So, and then also it comes with a authenticity certificate card. You know, how cool is that? In reference to size, this is called the mini nylon bag, and I will say it's mini. I'll do some comparison as far as like what goes in here, so you can kind of get a better idea of what fits in here. But I will say, like, it packs a punch. Like, you all know I don't really like them big old bags, but this is like perfect. I don't know, so you guys can see, like, I wouldn't wear it on my shoulder like this per se, but it does sit on my shoulder, only because it's a little small, and y'all know I'm a little busty. So but you can, like, I could do that if I wanted to. I mostly carry it like this, maybe even, you know, but for the most part, just like that. Okay, enough. It's so versatile. I can wear this with literally anything. It's definitely an everyday bag. I just love that I can wear this with so much stuff. Okay. Another thing I really enjoy about this is that she's made of durable material. So like the nylon is super durable. It doesn't, you know, it's not easy to like rip or like stain or anything like that. Easy to wipe off. The inside, see if I can show you guys, it also has the Prada logo in there, and it has like, I don't know if you guys can see, it has like the Prada like design on through it. It's really cool. There is some Saffiano like piping throughout the bag. And like I said, I feel like this is something, I feel like this is such a classic bag that this is something that I could wear this for years, no matter, through all trends and like style changes and all that. Like, this bag is still a nice bag to have in your collection, and I think it's worth every cent. If I had to mention a con, I would say the shoulder strap could be a bit longer. You know, I think that would be nice. We'll say this: there's no interior pocket. so you just kind of like put everything in there, but there isn't an inside pocket, and that would be kind of nice to have. It's not a deal breaker for me. A little bit about the wear and tear really quickly. Like, so you guys know I've had this bag since July of last year, and as you can see, there's nothing wrong with this bag. Like, you know, normally your bags get a little bit of like, you know, scuffing and stuff at the corners. I'm not seeing any of that. There's no tears or anything in the nylon. The zipper works perfectly fine. The hardware is still intact. It still looks brand new. The logo still looks the same. Like, such an awesome bag. Such an awesome bag. It still looks brand new. We're gonna go ahead and get into this what fits. So I'm going to put my mini pochette accessoire. I use this as a catch-all. Right now I have like a mask and like a hand sanitizer wipe, some lotion, and some soap. So like some of that hand soap that I told you guys about, and also some extra hand sanitizer. So I usually, like I said, I use it as a catch-all, so I will actually be able to put this one in here. It does fit in here. My Chanel mirror, which is really banged up right now. So I'll put that in here. Card holder from MCM. This one, y'all. You guys know I have the LV card holder, and this one is my favorite. This is my favorite, okay? It holds a little bit more than the LV card holder. Pop that in here too. My GG Supreme key holder. I'll just drop that in here as well. So far, so you guys can see, I have all of those things in here. You keep your mitts on you. I have my mitts, AirPods, a lipstick. This is actually the color that I'm wearing now. I actually got this for my birthday from one of my guy besties, Hermes lipstick. And when I tell y'all I love this, the shade I'm wearing is called Rose Voice, in number 48. It is so gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. iPhone XR. We'll pop that in here. That's what it looks like in the inside. My perfume, like I said, I don't normally have the need to like really reapply the perfume, but I do like to just keep some on me just in case. So I'll probably pop that in here as well. So I have my keys. This is the Gucci Marmont key holder. Love, love, love this. Highly recommend. So we're gonna pop that in here as well. Before I zip it up that way you guys can see that it is packed. I have my lipstick in here, my mints, my keys, my phone is still in there. Here, so you guys can see. So that is literally everything I would carry on a day-to-day basis. I probably got it packed a little bit more than I should, but you know, hey, love it. And the material, the texture of it just feels so awesome. Prada did a great job with this one, and I would definitely I'll definitely be purchasing another one. I really think I'll need to get my hands on the bubblegum pink. It's like this really bright pink. I think that would be so cute for my wardrobe. It would definitely worth the price. So, you know, hopefully this was a great review. Hope it was very informative for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Stay safe, and until next time, peace.
Expectations, not reality. Let it go. Asking them what they want out of me.